Most of the time we run out of ideas, especially when it comes to dinner recipes, because you're tired and you just want to whip up something very fast. So today I'll be showing you a very easy liver and spinach recipe, which is going to take around 30 minutes. And it's going to turn out very saucy, delicious, loaded with lots of protein and nutrients. So grab the ingredients and let's get cooking. You need a bunch of spinach, liver, tomatoes, onions. We have some onion powder, cayenne powder, 1 seasoning cube and a stock cube, cooking oil and salt. The recipe is super simple with very basic ingredients. So we're going to get straight into cooking by placing a pot or a pan over medium flame. Add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. You're going to wait for the oil to get hot. Then next you're going to pick your liver and add into the pan. You're going to lay the liver in a single layer. Then you're going to cover and cook your liver for around 4 to 5 minutes over medium flame. Before adding your liver into the pot, make sure to soak in milk so that you can remove any toxins in the liver. So while the liver is cooking, I'm going to slice up or shred my spinach. Also remember to wash your spinach so that you can get rid of any dirt in between the leaves of the spinach, because you don't want to bite into soil. Once I'm done, I'm going to use a sharp knife and slice my spinach. I'm going to remove some of the stalks. You're going to chop your spinach into small size. Just be careful because you don't want to get an injury while chopping up your spinach. You can also hold the spinach and shred. I love using chopping board because it's very easy. This is after 2 minutes and the liver is slowly cooking. So I'm going to use my spatula stir. Then I'm going to cover and cook the liver for another 3 minutes. Liver is a great source of iron, vitamin A, and also it's loaded with lots of protein. That means that it's perfect for you to try out. And this is a perfect way, if you don't love the taste of liver, to add in some veggies, and it's going to be fantastic or delicious. I'm almost done shredding. I'm almost done chopping up my spinach. The liver is going to release a little bit of water when it's cooking. So you're going to cook until all the water is fully evaporated. Once all the water is fully evaporated, the liver is going to start searing. So you're going to sear for around a minute. And searing the liver is going to add in tons of flavor. And also, your kitchen is going to be smelling incredible. While the liver is searing, I'm going to throw in 1 beef stock cube. This is beef liver. Add in my seasoning cube. And because the liver is well seared, I'm going to throw in my onions. Add in half a teaspoon of onion powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne powder. I love a little kick of spiciness in my food, so the cayenne powder is optional. Cook your onion for around a minute until it's translucent. And during this time, the liver is going to soak in the onion powder, cayenne powder, the seasoning cubes, which are going to add in more beef flavor to the liver. Also, the pan is going to develop some fond in the bottom that is more flavor. When everything is ready, you're going to add in 3 medium tomatoes. Stir in. Add in a splash of water, which is going to deglaze your pot. Then you're going to cover, reduce the flames to medium low, and simmer your tomatoes together with the liver for around 2 minutes or until the tomatoes are well cooked. This is a very easy recipe which needs very minimal effort. As the tomatoes are cooking, you're going to check, stir, cover, and let everything cook. This is how your liver should be looking after around 2 to 3 minutes. So you're going to check the seasoning. I need a little bit more. And because we added in the beef stock cube and seasoning cube, we have a little bit of salt. So we are just perfecting the seasoning. I'm going to stir in the seasoning. The liver is super delicious already. So now we are going to be adding in our spinach. After adding in your spinach, we're going to stir in You don't want to overcook your spinach because it's going to lose the green color, hence it's going to be not tasty. This is how my spinach is looking after cooking for a minute, and it's looking absolutely delicious. I'm going to be serving over some chapati. Or you can tell me in the comment section what you can pair this delicious liver with spinach so that I can try out. This is how my liver and spinach has turned out, and as you can see, it's quite saucy because we've added in 3 tomatoes. It's flavorful since we added in some seasoning cubes, onion powder, cayenne, and it's just absolutely delicious. So hope you'll be giving this recipe a try because it needs very few ingredients and you can serve with absolutely any side dish of your choice.